Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can log into your ChatGPT 4 account using your Google account. And it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And for those people who do not know what ChatGPT 4 is, it's basically the paid version of ChatGPT. So there's a free version and there's a paid version, and ChatGPT 4 is the paid one. So let me show you how to do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. To search for ChatGPT just like this. And after you search for it, this first option ChatGPT, click on it. And it's going to take you to its official website. And over here, just click on login. Once you do that, what you want to do is select this option called continue with Google, because we want to log in into using our Google account. Once you're in this page, you have to choose the Google account which you used when you created a ChatGPT account. So I used this account, so I will choose this, and it's going to load for some time, and after some time it should log me into my ChatGPT account just like this. Now it's going to log me into my normal ChatGPT account. Now what I need to do is click on this ChatGPT 4 and upgrade my plan to ChatGPT Plus, and I will get ChatGPT 4. But if you guys already have paid for this, once you log into ChatGPT, you can just click on this option and you will be switched to ChatGPT 4. So the login method for normal ChatGPT and ChatGPT 4 is same. Just after logging in, you have to just click on this and you will switch to the premium version. That's how you guys can log in into ChatGPT 4. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.